this is Open Up the Heavens in the key of G. Make sure to grab the chord sheet in the description below and you can print it out and follow along with me. All right, so in the key of G, we have G, C, D, and then we have an E minor, and it looks like that's it for this song. So let's go through those chords. Okay, we got G, B, D. Okay, C chord, C, E, G. And then we have a D chord, move up one note, and then we're going to pick up this black note in the middle. D, F sharp, A. Okay, and if you imagine your chord looking like a triangle, that helps kind of simplify it. So it's white, black, white, making this triangle shape, okay? That kind of simplifies it for me. Okay, so then we also have an E minor, which if you move one note up and your hand kind of falls in this place, that is E, G, B, E minor. Okay, all right, so review, we just have our G chord, C chord, D triangle, right? You're picking up the black note in the middle, and then our E minor right next door. All right, left hand, let's figure out what we're going to do there. I'm going to put pinky on G and line up my 5 fingers, and then I can camp out here the whole song, and I don't have to move my hand out of position and lose where I'm at. Okay, so we're going to play single G note with a G chord. Okay, and then we're going to play single C note with our C chord, D, and when we play that E minor, I'm just going to open up my thumb in my left hand, one note, and play that E. Okay, otherwise, if you kind of go and try to figure out a way to play it up here, then you move, you figure out where your location is that you don't have to move the most, or you want to find a position that you can move the least, I should say. And play this E when we play this E minor, okay? Otherwise, just kind of keep it here, swing it open. All right, so this is written in 4/4 time, so I'm going to use a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. 1-to-2 ratio, okay? We could do that on the C chord. Okay, I'm going to add in some vocals in verse 1, and you'll see, I think you'll be able to hear how it's going to come together here. We've waited for this day. We've gathered in your name, calling out to you. See that nice marching rhythm? Your glory like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts with truth. Okay. All right, so this song's pretty simple. I've kind of stripped it down so that we only have one chord per line, which helps just even more. So we just have G, C, G, C. Verse 1 and 2 are going to be the same thing, okay? Then let's take a look at the pre-chorus. We're moving into that E minor where I said, remember the left-hand thumb just swoops open one note, picks up that E single note with our E minor chord up here. So the pre-chorus, you're the reason we're, C, here, E minor again. You're the reason we're singing. And we're going to go into that chorus, down back to the G. And let me just say, there's a lot of flexibility with chording. So if you want to play the chord right here, or if you want to play it up here, G to G, doesn't matter. There's so much flexibility. Do what sounds good for you. So here's what I'm going to do with that G. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. C chord. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river. E minor, remember that thumb opens up here. Flowing from your heart. D. Filling every part of our G. Praise. I'm going to play that chorus again. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. C. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river. E minor. Flowing from your heart. D. Filling every part of your praise. All right, the bridge is just going to be really simple. G. Show us your glory. C. Show us your power. E minor. Show us. D. Show us your glory, Lord. You can repeat that. Back to the G. G, here we go. G. Show us your glory. C. Show us your power. E minor. Show us, D. Show us your glory, Lord. Okay, and then it can go back into the chorus if you want, or loop back to another verse if you want. All right, here we go, beginning to end. You can do it. Just break it up into some simple steps. If playing two hands together is too complex, just play it right hand by itself for a while. Okay, you got it. Here we go. We've waited for this day. We're gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your glory like a fire, awakening desire will burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. Your presence in this place, your glory on our face. We're looking to the sky, descending like a cloud. You're standing with us now, Lord, unveil our eyes. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of our praise. And open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart, filling every part of your praise. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart.